Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari tim Nyampi, Nyampa Pilih-Pilih. Saya sendiri, Karin Lestari sebagai CEO, lalu Sylvia Ayuni sebagai COO, ada Minaria Cantika sebagai CMO Marketing Communication, dan juga Faza Sausansani sebagai CMO Digital Marketing. Nyampi itu adalah sebuah platform atau aplikasi yang menghubungkan petugas sampah dengan ibu rumah tangga dan manajemen sampah modern dan terjangkau. Kami di sini memiliki visi menjadi salah satu penggerak rumah tangga Indonesia agar memilah sampah dengan baik dan benar. Kami juga di sini memiliki misi untuk memberikan akses kemudahan manajemen sampah yang modern dan terjangkau. Dengan jadwal pengangkutan yang fleksibel, lalu kemudahan pemesanan melalui aplikasi, dan juga edukasi pemilihan sampah dan pengangkutan yang terpercaya dan terverifikasi. Kami sangat mengharapkan customer kami nanti dapat memilah sampah ke dalam 3 kategori ini. Yang pertama, ada sampah botol dan cup, lalu ada sampah sisa makanan, dan yang terakhir, sampah kertas dan kardus. Value yang akan didapatkan oleh customer Nyampi nantinya setelah mereka memilah sampah sesuai dengan kategori akan diberikan stiker bentuk strap yang dapat dikumpulkan dan dapat ditukarkan dengan sembako.
Nyampi already has the prototype of the application, but we cannot launch it for this time, so we use WhatsApp for alternative apps to connect between our customer and garbage carrier with the same business model and customer journey. And this is our customer journey. First, customer should to sort waste into 3 categories. There are plastic, paper, and organic. And then can contact us to ordering our service. The garbage carrier will come to the customer location to transport their waste. After that, customer will receive the sticker from us. It can be exchanged into basic need or sembako.
So, what should you do if you want to be our customer? The first one, you should contact the contact person of Nyampi in number below. The second, you should fill the form. And the last, you should join our WA group.
The area of our program at Kompleks Soreang Indah, the program is door-to-door socialization, garbage carrier training, workshop pilah sampah, then start the operational simulation, and the last build waste bank. Operational progress simulation 1. On 26, we did our first simulation. First thing that we did was contacted 7 potential customers in Kompleks Soreang Indah to introduce Nyampi and ask them to join the simulation. We also give them trash bag with these stickers on it, make it the easier is categories garbage. At the same time, first simulation, previously potential customer have given trash bag according the category of freebies, namely plastic, bottle, cup waste, then paper and cardboard waste. When our first simulation was still focused on transporting an organic waste for organic waste, we will immediately be simulation. During this first simulation, we experienced difficult. Why? When transporting the rubbish, because it's so very there were 6 trash bags with the condition our officer card unmodified. So we made a budget for repairs as well as modifying our officer card later. Next, this is documentation simulation 1. Simulation 2. 1. For our second simulation, there are several prospective customers who came to house the people in charge of the team at Kompleks Soreang Indah. Some trash bag which can be directly transported by our officer. 2. This second simulation, we have applied to our officer that the waste transport from our customer we immediately be stored in temporary storage area, which later after cleaning, then sorted again, we immediately contact our partners, namely Waste to collect this waste. 3. After we confer with Karang Taruna chairmen, there will hold an event on August 17, which will be our charge to socialization Nyampi all housewives here. And then in Kompleks Orang Indah, we try to contract the Karang Taruna there to make our system easier to apply in society. And then this is documentation for simulation 2. After transporting waste is cleaned, then sorted again, and sorted until it's ready to pick up with our partner waste. Lalu ini finansial Nyampi. Kami di sini mengeluarkan dana khususnya untuk pembuatan aplikasi dan maintenance aplikasi kami. Lalu ada expenses untuk petugas kami, ada juga equipment, dan juga other expenses saat simulasi kemarin, dengan total Rp9.836.000.
I wanted to tell you about the collaboration. The first collaboration is with Waste. Waste is a company which collects all types of waste from society or waste bank. So, these customers who transferred waste to Waste will get feedback like money, voucher, and etc. This company also provides pickup system for waste bank. But before it, the waste bank should give confirmation about the location and how much the waste is. And until today, this company is still running through the WhatsApp for request pickup system. And then, this company use social media like Instagram, Facebook, or website to gain their customers. Until today, this company has 2 landfills. They are in Sumedang and in Bandung. Both landfill can operate well. Even the landfill which is in Sumedang, exactly in Kampung Toga, is designed very Instagrammable, so many people go there and see the recycling process. We do this collaboration to resolve our unorganic waste that we have collected from our customers. First, we put all the unorganic waste in a landfill near Kompleks Orang Indah, and then after the waste is enough to pick up by Waste, we call Waste to pick up it. Then, from the activity, we can get money. The second collaboration is collaboration with Briquette Farm. Briquette Farm is a company which focuses on recycling waste in Sumedang, especially in Ganias village. This company collaboration with village government to recycle waste and raising maggot. The founders run this business because the government cannot manage a landfill well. So, they ask for permission to use the recycle machine, especially for the organic machine. And with Briquette Farm, we will apply our pickup system, and the waste that we have collected will put in the TPS. Then, the organic waste will be directed to recycle into compost, and the unorganic will be sold to Waste in Sumedang.
For business online initiation, Nyampi fokus to build brand awareness on Instagram. And for now, total followers is around 194. Nyampi fokus to create content about fun fact of waste management. We celebrate the important day that related with environment, and we introduction our purpose and the services. From this data, we can know that audience of Nyampi is dominated by people whose location from Bandung, Palembang, and Jakarta. For age range, it dominated by people age from 18 to 24 years old. And the last one, for the gender, our audience is dominated by women.
These are the data we got from our story contents. We made this funnel to know which content would attract more people to follow us or keep maintaining our followers not to unfollow us. We also did an outbound marketing that is broadcasting message through DM Instagram, and it has increased our followers from 56 to to 194. From the data above, we have learned that broadcasting message is an effective way to gain followers for early stage startup like us. The second one, we still must find a fit content for our customer or potential customer, because there are some people who unfollow us and it makes our followers still around 190.